Good morning, gentlemen. In Microblast Furnace Series 3F, I will be explaining you today how to attain productivity of liquid metal 2x to 4x and above per cubic meter volume of microblast furnace. So, present technology, it addresses changes in many facets, and that facet provides efficient and precise charging, speedy charging, then fuel injection at 2 years level of different derivatives and different combinations, which increases availability of hydrogen, and this increase in hydrogen level ultimately results in higher output. These derivatives and combinations are cheaper, available, abundant, with high calorific value. So, low temperature gasoline, when blended with this type of fuel and fuel derivatives, they produce a gaseous condition in reactants as well as in product. So, increasing the productivity to forward direction multiplies 3 to 5 times higher than present blast furnace operation, because present blast furnace operation is time and temperature dependent phenomena. In present technology, it is temperature and partial pressure dependent phenomena, because these alternate fuels, they are injected at 2 years level and abundantly cheaply available in India. They favor lower cost of production, and the efficiency is multiplied many times when they are the product of precious high calorific value gases. They react with other peroxides, resulting in generation of high calorific value CO. This CO2 is converted to CO and liberates oxygen, which can be reused. So, in this type of technology, it is very easy to control maintenance. It is very easy to control and upscale the charging mechanism. It is favorable to inject different fuels and fuel derivatives which replaces fossil fuel, resulting this fossil fuel nothing but they generates large chunk of pollutants, and which are the main concern as far as coming era of pollution free world aiming is concerned. So this type of technology not only results in higher thermal efficiency, they are easy to operate, they are using less met coke per ton of hot metal produced, and it is possible to multiply the production from 2x to 4x and above. Why I am telling? Because 4x and above requires very speedy charging condition, which may be bottleneck with some of the existing blast furnace. But a greenfield project of micro blast furnace, these criteria can be taken care well before commissioning of this type of plant. So with this technology, it is possible to aim 4x and above per cubic meter volume of microblast furnace, which results in a windfall profit for steel manufacturer, for iron making and other derivatives of forest product. Thank you very much.